Hot. Oh, it's hot lah. Not cold lah. Durian kuat.
Sedap kan?
Keluar juga.
Sedap.
Durian dia panas. Dia macam durian pengat. Skewer.
This is the mutton.
Alright. Who wants the noodle?
Me.
Kan lah. Chili dia.
Sea sauce.
Okay, come. This one here. Before it reaches my daughter. Daging dia.
Very nice.
Very nice lah. Ada chili.
Very spicy.
Very spicy. But I like. When you come to eat restaurant, diorang taruh yang chili oil kan. Some you need to put the chili oil. Chicken is juicy. Betul, ada. Okay. Ui. Tak kenyang. Mami don't want the meat, who want? Scissor paper stone, pasal? Sorry, Amit. Alhamdulillah. Makan sambil nyanyi. Sedap. See the Siang chicken. 25 Arab Street. It's a Xinjiang culture food. You should try it. So please comment down what. It is so good that you have to pay. Thank you very nice. Assalamualaikum.